ang tini belakena bukhani kono ang sanani phaigado sini tipra sarok ungkha backward jaga tongo education facility krei sini income krei sini rang puisani private ungko exact income krei bujikha ani thani kwbangma complain sopakya অনেক জায়গা হয়তো নাংসারে ফোন সিমিনো নগুই ফাই দङ নিনি খ্রিস্টান মিশনারি হিন্দি বেস্ট आं साइ दङ मेन नोंखा ख्रिस्टान मिशनारि स्कुल हयते आं ता काइसे हिन्दू स्टुडेन्ट आं एडुकेशन खाया मोजंगो हान पारागाना डन बस्क स्कुल खुलका बा हलि क्रस स्कुल खुलका आं परासना खाया मोजंगो हा आं परासना खाया मोजंगो आं एडमिशन नानांखा आं जेरैबो खोनाबाय दं why I should be if I want to be educated why should I be forcefully to be Christian forcefully to be a Hindu in any case आं गाइसे बरक आं परासना खायनो मोजंगो आं it should be a circular ना धर्मनिनो पक्ष जेदा कय आं परासना खायनो मोसं आं जेकुनु स्कुलाव बर्तिं नाय it shouldn't be forcefully I condemn this it will be Hindu Buddhist Christian or any religion education is a মৌলিক অধিকার সিনি অধিকার আবো সিমিয়া आं मिशनारि गोबांमा जागा नुगो हिन्दुनि क्लास फोरोंनाय हिन्दुनि गखायनाय ठीक আছে আপন एक्स्ट्रा कारिकुलम एक्टिविटी तंदी हिन्दू ख्रिस्टान और बुद्धिस्ट एनीथिंग और मुस्लिम और एनीथिंग कायसा चेराइनो परिनारि दिब कायसा चेराइ बचेराइ फुनसिमिनो फोर्सफुली बनो हिन्दू फोरोंजागो ख्रिस्टान फोरोंजागो बनो बुद्धिस्ट फोरोंजागो इट शुडन्ट बी देयर आं साइ दं education system abung na kogya serai no je surnam phung je bo surnam sungja go je porinam sungja bono na phung da tong Hindu school Hindi Christian school Hindi nini Buddhist school Hindi why should be forcefully you should have to attend you should get Christianity you should get a Buddhism or you should get a Hinduism you shouldn't be there okay 아니 꼭 사마가 하이제 धर्मनि निरपेक्ष नक गया जोंनि बर'नि सोलोंनानै खासिन एडुकेशन जों एडुकेशन खायतानि धर्म सोंनो अनेक बर' काहामुं थानि हेल्प खायाबा 100 मानियो गीताबो बर' काहामुंना फोरोंगो कुरानाव बर' काहामुंनानि फोरोंगो निनि बाइबेलाबो बर' काहामुंनानि फोरोंगो दो किन्तु बा एकटा सेराय bo porasona khai tongo ekta jagao bortingo tangi bono Hinduism joborosi phurungjangnai tangi bono Christianity joborosi phurungjangnai tangi bono Buddhism tangi joborosi phurungjangnai that is my question to everyone bujikha swag nin kogya bollo abong practical sincere phum simi nogui phai tong kaisa Christian missionary o khai Christian kono phurungjago serona musung thung musing athung serok sajagya hamna musing Christianity o কিন্তু bono forcefully bono ei bono phat Christianity o habri jago kaisa Hindu school o serok Christian pangkha background ni bor Christian hamjagya Hindu hamjaya pangmakha bono forcefully অনেক কিছু খাই যাবো বুদ্ধ স্কুল সেম চলি দङ हाबना कन्डेम खाबायसे आं केमनि I am not a आं केम नो बायसे आं साइटं एडुकेशन in education there should not be any religion biased आंबो साइटं बस दलो आबोनानि सानामो जों मोनसे रायनो डिसाइड खायनो दि बटाम रिलिजन हाबनाया education is secular if you open any school or college you shouldn't be biased on any religion you should be biased on her own choice or his own choice. Abo siminang sana bagi Europe live ma phekya. Kya sase angka na kardi. Abo nani sana mo songman. Jate kem no forcefully tang to. Abo ekta molikodikane hanandule. In any religion, there should be their own choice. Botak Hindu pa haptong, bo Christian pa haptong, ta Buddhi pa haptong, Buddhism pa haptong, habang condemn kayo. Ang condemn kayo, there should not be forcefully. If you want to study in English medium, there should not be forcefully to be in Hindu or Christian or Buddhism or anything else. Okay? Stand for yourself. Ang siya rong mo sana mo sungo. Malay siyong. Tong ni awas na rock sari. Ang tungkol nung bagay. Masana. Education o. Ang Hindu sasagya. Ekta school of boarding ka. No? Ang kanaya. Ano forcefully ano Hinduism prong tong zago. I don't feel comfortable. I don't like to listen them. And I should be comfortable. And I should be lift from this burden. Okay? It's a circular country. India is a circular country. And there should not be forceful. And especially missionary guys. I see you guys. You are doing forcefully. Okay? I see you all. And many things, especially, I noticed in Tripura from my childhood. Many Hindu people or Christian people or Buddhism people, they are forceful to enter any religion, especially to be near school. It is not right. It is brainwash, okay? It is brainwash. In any religion, I am telling you guys. It is not right. Education is a circular thing. It should be allowed to any people, backwards people. If you want a development, if you want development, our Tiprasa people are many backwards. I want to cry. And my Tiprasa people are very backwards. Don't force them to any religion, especially Christian peoples. I show you. I condemn. Okay? I condemn this. Do note that, guys. You should not be forcefully in any religion. You should not be forcefully. Abon sanamozong. Je kono dharma untung, je kono religion untung, sero porinamozong poritung. Christian nungus. Ang Christian missionary mention kaitong because borok para wo English medium school porika. Sangabo no support kayo 100 bar sajong kintu hom se rambor te khain Christian samane brain wash khain dan danai bo Hindu re sajong tong Christian re sajong tong Buddhism re sajong tong nung bono forcefully bono dele ni jisin kono khari brain wash khaina ha abo kon right kong kha selajak tong pora-suna sibuse burden education di bong no education di dharma di ropakha tang di ha nok tini khulaka nok tini ko hoja khulaka nok tini Hindu no Christian samna Christian no Buddhist samna no ha abo sawi tong kha kwang parents ano complain khayo telephone sin no phai tong Ani sara na ang Christian ang English por na mo song English medium school por na mo song ha an sara na ang Christian kanya ang Hindu to ha abo saya ang condemn kaya abo no abo saya bela keno